Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we dive right into using UPBASE for managing stand-up comedy events. This is your full 2025 guide, so let's get started. First off, we're going to create an event on the platform. To do this, click on the New Event button on the dashboard. Creating an event is critical as it sets the groundwork for everything else that follows. It's where you'll put all the details about your stand-up comedy event. Now that we've done that, the next step is to fill in the specific details of your event. These include the date, time, and venue. It's essential to be as detailed as possible to avoid confusion among potential attendees. The reason we do this is to provide all necessary information up front, making it easier for attendees to plan. With the event details sorted, our next task is to add our comedians. This helps us because it gives potential attendees an idea of what to expect. Go to the Performers tab and click on Add Performers. Here you can add the names and short bios of your comedians. Next up, we'll set up ticketing. UPBASE provides an inbuilt ticketing system, making it easy for attendees to purchase tickets directly from the event page. This is done by going to the Ticketing tab and setting up your ticket categories and prices. This is crucial as it handles the financial aspect of your event and provides a seamless ticketing experience for attendees. Our final step is to promote the event. UPBASE has a Share Event option that generates a unique event link. Share this link on your social media platforms to reach a wider audience. The reason we do this is that promotion is key to increasing attendance at your event. And there you have it. With these steps, you have successfully set up and are managing your stand-up comedy event on UPBASE. Remember, UPBASE is designed to simplify event management, so take full advantage of its features. That's it for now. Until next time, keep those laughs coming.